Hi guys, my name is Ritika and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a beginner's makeup kit. All the products are going to be under 500 or near 500 rupees, so you can obviously shop from the sale or when the discounts are on. So these are very good products, really good quality products. None of the products are like cheap or none of the products are going to be cheap. Oh my god, seriously. Every product in this video is going to be cheap but good quality. Good quality and cheap products. None of the product is going to harm your skin in any way. How? So these are very good quality products and they are the best out there in the market, and I've tried and tested them out by myself. So I can promise that these products really work and they do stay, and they have all the good things you need or you need to build up your kit. So if you want to know how I created this look, if you want to know what I'm going to share or whatever, please continue watching. Before moving forward, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, a hell lot to me. So please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, let's get started. First thing first, we need a good moisturizer, because what you are gonna do if you don't have a good base or a good like base to like put your makeup on or the layers of makeup on. So first thing is this moisturizer. It's the Pond Super Light Gel oil-free moisturizer, and this is how it looks. I actually finished this. As you can see, the tub is done. It's taking its last breath. And this moisturizer is very nice, very light on the skin, and doesn't feel like, you know, greasy or something like that. Plus it creates a beautiful canvas, or you can say base for your makeup. It's a very cheap moisturizer but good quality moisturizer. I will list down the prices on the screen here, there, anywhere like that. And you can obviously get this moisturizer on sale, so it will be a bingo for you. This moisturizer is an hyaluronic plus vitamin E moisturizer, and it is for 147 grams. I don't think so I need to really elaborate anything like that. I'm just going to show the products and I'm gonna like tell you some good features about it, and that's it for the video. Second thing, for the base you need a good primer, and I highly suggest this one. It's the Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. It tones, smoothens and perfect. It really blurs out your pores, like literally it blurs out your pores. It costs for like $4.99 exactly for like 500 rupees, but obviously you can get this on sale. And it's a very beautiful primer. It blurs out your pores, it smoothens out your skin, and it actually gives a very beautiful canvas for your foundation. Your foundation looks very, you know, clean and stuff like that, and it's a very good primer. I highly recommend that. For the foundation, I guess everyone knows, it's the Fit Me foundation. It's the Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless foundation, and it's in the shade 120. Actually I mixed the shade 120 and 128, which is the classic ivory. 120 is the classic ivory, and 128 is, I guess, warm nude. The warm nude shade. Foundation is very everyday natural kind of a foundation. It will give you a very beautiful finish, and it's for normal to oily skin, but it works for everyone. I am a dry skin type. I switch between dry to normal, but it works for me, and it's a very beautiful foundation. And yeah, it's a classic foundation. Everyone uses this, and it retails for like 535 or something like. But I guess they have cut down the price to 500. So yeah, and you can obviously get this on sale. So now for the concealer, it's actually a shock for me because I really like this concealer. It's from Swiss Beauty. It's the liquid concealer, and it glides on like butter. It stays for the whole day. Very beautiful concealer. Plus it's very cheap. It's for like 199 rupees, and it's a very beautiful concealer. I'm in the shade 03, and I will like highly recommend this. I actually recently got this concealer from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. So if you know what else I got from the sale, you can obviously watch my video. But I highly recommend this concealer. It's a very beautiful concealer, and I'm literally shocked by it. It's a medium coverage concealer, so try this only if you have like okay kind of dark circles, because it is not going to like it says it's a full coverage concealer, but it's not. It's a light to medium coverage concealer. You can obviously build up to more medium, but not on not on a full coverage concealer. But this concealer is beautiful. It's butter. It melts into your skin like a dream, and it's very, very, very natural. It doesn't even feel like concealer. It's weightless. Let's finish up our face products first. So for the blush, I highly recommend these blushes from Fit Me. It's the Fit Me blushes, and I have one is in the shade Rose, and this one is in the shade Nude Peach, and I really love this brushes. I'm wearing this shade right now. It's the shade Nude Peach, and I really love this shade. It's my favorite blush right now, and I also got this in the sale. So yeah. Fit Me blushes are usually not that pigmented, but this one is actually pigmented. I actually don't prefer pigmented blushes because they stick and it becomes a task to blend them out. But it's okay if the blush quality is if the quality is good and stuff like that. You can work on a little. So yeah, this one. Now for the bronzer I'm recommending this. It's a Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer. I guess this one is the limited edition one because first of all I broke it. It was a drive-in imprinted on this bronzer. And I fixed this bronzer with my rubbing alcohol. I guess it's called rubbing alcohol. So this one, and it costs for like $4.99, but of course you can get this on sale and stuff like that. And it's a very beautiful bronzer. It feels like butter, it applies like butter, it blends like beautifully, and it's a very beautiful and natural kind of a bronzer. And the shade itself gives you a very very bronzy, beautiful, natural bronzy kind of a look. It doesn't even look fake at all. So yeah, this one. You can check other Wet n Wild bronzers. Wet n Wild is a very reliable and a good brand in the drugstore range. So yeah, of course you can check the other bronzers. I honestly forgot that we need to apply the compact also after doing all the base stuff. So for the powder, I have this sugar powder. It's in the shade 10 Latte, and it has some SPF. And a mirror and this cushion, and then I also have this one. It's the L'Oreal Matte Magic Compact in the shade, I guess, Vanilla. Yeah, it's in the shade Vanilla, and it has SPF 34 PA+++, and it's my favorite compact. I don't know why L'Oreal discontinued this. I have no idea. My heart broke, but it's a very beautiful compact, and I'm actually gonna hit the pan on this. So I put it behind my drawer or something, where really back on my drawer, and I'm currently using this, and it's also a very beautiful compact. I guess this retails for like $4.99, but obviously sales and discounts and other stuff like that. So yeah, these two compacts are really nice, and you can also go for the Fit Me one, but if I want to recommend something, I will recommend these two. It's the L'Oreal Matte Magic one because it has SPF also, and SPF is very important for skin, and plus it has SPF PA+++, and this one, and I guess this one has like SPF 15 or something, but both works beautifully. And for the highlighter, I only and highly recommend this one. It's the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, and I broke it. It's a blinding, butter, beaming, beautiful, everything good in this dabba highlighter. Not dabba. Okay, so this highlighter is the best in drugstore. It is going to give you a very glowy effect. If you want like a very intense look, intense highlighter, it is going to give you that. And if you want a very natural kind of highlighter, you just need to rub your fingers and just tap it on your face and just blend it out. It's going to look very nice. Highlighter is my favorite, and I'm literally abusing this. Literally, I'm just so in love with this highlighter. And it's a classic highlighter, and it's the most beautiful highlighter out there. So yeah, this one, Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. Now for the eyebrows, I will recommend this, and I also got this recently from the sale. It's the Miss Clear Eyebrow Cake. So this cake, or you can say eyebrow powder, looks very natural on the eyebrows. I'm actually wearing this right now, and it's a very beautiful palette. It's not palette, eyebrow palette. So it has a black, brown, I don't know what this shade is called, and it has a grey. So I actually do ombre eyebrows. This product comes with a brush also, the brush on the angular brush on the one side and the spoolie on the other. The spoolie is actually very useless. The brush is good. So it's a very beautiful product. It gives you a very natural eyebrows, and as a beginner I don't suggest you put like eyebrow pencil on your eyebrows because it's very harsh and you have no control how to do that like nicely or something like that. So I will recommend this powder because powder products are really easy and very easy to work with. So yeah, this eyebrow product, and I guess it's above 500 I guess, but you can get this on sale. It will cut down to something like 450 or 430 or something like that. So yeah, must grab. And while applying this, your eyebrows don't feel like chalky, fake, or like pencil sketch pen type of eyebrows, because I'm wearing this right now and my eyebrows look very natural. I just fill the gap. I just usually fill the gap in and just leave the whole situation. So yeah, many of you love and good eyeliner, but I don't. Still I'm wearing this and saying that because I did for the video. I usually don't wear an eyeliner, but I will recommend this Lakme Insta eyeliner. It's in water resistant eyeliner and it costs for like 130 rupees. So it's very cheap and it's in the shade black, and it comes in a 9 ml bottle and it looks something like a nail paint bottle. But it's a very beautiful eyeliner and the brush is very easy to go with and work with. It's not a task to do an eyeliner with this one because I have done it and I'm very bad at eyeliners. So yeah, this eyeliner stays for a good time and it dries out. I won't say that it dries out like very fast, but it dries out in a good time, and once it dries out, it's completely matte and it's beautiful. So I will recommend this one. The eyeliner is good quality and stays for a good time, water resistant, and what else you want, easy to work with. Go with it. The mascara Maybelline is the game changer. The Maybelline's Hyper Curl mascara is something near like 300, and the Push Up Drama one is something near 500, but discount and sale. These two are my most favorite mascaras. This will give you a very dramatic lashes, and this will give you a very natural subtle kind of lashes when you don't want to put like so much on that. Usually don't do that. Mascara, this one is a very everyday subtle kind of a mascara. Well, there is no word like subtle when it comes to the mascara category, but this one is a very good day kind of a mascara, and this one is going to give you a very dramatic lashes, and it's one of my favorite also. I really love this mascara. This is my like second or third bottle of it, and I really like this mascara. So when I really want that dramatic eyelashes, I go for this one, then I apply this one, and it really gives me the false eyelashes kind of an effect. So the one is the Push Up Drama one, and the other one is the Hyper Curl one. Now for the lipsticks, I highly recommend this one. It's the Nykaa, I don't know what this range is called, but it's the Nykaa Let It Snooze lipstick, and it's a peachy nude lipstick, one of my favorite. Other one is the Maybelline Creamy Mattes. Actually the Nykaa one is dupe of this, but the price are same. It's the Creamy Matte, Maybelline's Creamy Matte in the shade New Nuance. This is how it looks, and it costs for like $299 plus you can sale. I really don't need to say sale every time, but these two lipsticks, one is the Nykaa one, it's in the shade Let It Snooze, and the second one is the New Nuance one by Maybelline from Creamy Matte. These two lipsticks are not going to be like very dry matte kind of a lipstick. It's demi matte lipstick, and they apply beautifully. They stays on your lips beautifully. But these lipsticks are going to transfer because they are not completely matte. That's why they are going to transfer. But you can of course reapply it, and these are cheap, good quality, best lipsticks out there. And these two are like one of my favorite colors. So if you are a beginner, or if you are creating a beginner makeup kit kind of a situation, I would recommend this Maybelline what this is called. Baby lips? Yeah, baby lips. Sticks are a bit heavy compared to the balms or tints. So I will highly recommend this one. It's the Maybelline Baby Lips in the shade Highline Wine, and it's the Alia Bhatt Loves New York collection, and it's one of the like most beautiful, oh my god, beautiful red shade. Highly recommend this one because it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful lip balm. Yeah, this one, and it retails for like something like 199 bucks or something, and you know I'm not gonna say it, sale, but yeah. Okay, now for the setting spray, like to set your whole makeup and lock it in the place. For the setting, I don't have that one with me right now, but I have tried it, I have tested it. I will put a picture here, there, or afterwards, after when I'm done saying that, or in between, or something like that. The Swiss Beauty makeup setting spray, and it also comes under 500 rupees, I guess, and it's a very, very, very beautiful spray. It locks your makeup, and it makes sure that your makeup stays in the place the whole day. And it's a very beautiful spray. It's a very beautiful makeup spray. The aerosol on that spray is nice, not that aggressive. Like it's in between, not that aggressive and being aggressive or nice. So it's in between. The aerosol is also good. The spray itself is very nice, and it does its job nicely. So yeah, that brings us to the end of the video of this beginner's makeup kit. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you all subscribe because that would mean a lot to me. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.